Plantation of mulberry plants. Mulberry plants are vital for silk productions and they are easy to grow with the right care. Here's how you can plant and cultivate them successfully. Start by selecting a sunny location with a well drained soil. Mulberry thrives in slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH of 6.5 to 7.5. Plow the soil thoroughly to remove weeds and make it loose for root growth. Use healthy saplings or cuttings for planting, digging holes 30-40 centimeters deep and maintaining a spacing of 1.5 to 2 meters between plants. Place the sapling upright, cover the roots with soil and water immediately. Water the plants regularly, especially during dry periods. Add organic compost or nitrogen-rich fertilizers to boost growth. Prune the plants every year to promote new leaves, which are ideal for silkworm feeding. Mulberry leaves can be harvested 3 to 4 times a year. Use the leaves for silkworms or the purpose and ensure proper regrowth by fertilizing and maintaining the plants. With simple care, mulberry plants can thrive for years, producing abundant leaves for silkworms and even fruits for family. Start planting today. As you can see, these plants are the stages of their growth. Monitor the plants regularly for pests like mealbuggy and diseases such as powdery mildew. Use eco-friendly pest control methods or biological agents to minimize damages. Mulberry plants aren't just for silkworms. Their fruits are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, while their roots and bark have medicinal uses. They also prevent soil erosion and improve biodiversity. Mulberry cultivation is a sustainable and rewarding practice, whether for sericulture or other uses. These plants are an asset to any farm. Welcome to Sri Katerama Devi Temple, a sacred place filled with history, devotion, and the vibrant culture of Hoskote. This temple is dedicated to Goddess Katerama, who is deeply revered as the protector and guardian of the people. Here for centuries, this temple has been a faith and a symbol of unity of the community. The temple stands out with beautiful South Indian architecture. The intricate carvings on the walls and pillars reflect the rich artistry and of the past surrounded by lush greenery. The temple offers a peaceful and spiritual environment, attracting visitors seeking both devotion and tranquility. The idol of goddess Katerama in the is the heart of this temple. Devotees believe she listens to their prayers and fulfill their wishes. Many come here to offer special prayers, perform rituals, and express gratitude for blessings received. The temple is best known for its grand annual festival, which is celebrated with great enthusiasm. The streets around the temple come alive with music, dance, and processions. Devotees from nearby villages and towns gather to honor the goddesses, making it a truly vibrant and joyous occasion. Beyond being a place of worship, Sri Katirama Devi Temple is a hub of community life. It has been a part of Hoskote's history for generations, connecting people through shared traditions and celebrations. The temple rituals and festivals preserve the rich heritage of the region. And this was all about Sri Katirama Devi Temple. Thank you for. Organic farming is a sustainable way to grow healthy crops while protecting the environment. Here's how you can cultivate corn and Arcanite organically to boost productivity and maintain soil health. Organic farming is a natural and sustainable way to grow crops, ensuring healthier produce and protecting the environment. For corn, it starts with enriching the soil using compost and natural fertilizers like vermicompost, organic practices like crop rotation and mulching improve soil health, while neem oil and biopesticides keep pests under control. Corn harvested through organic methods is not only nutritious but also free of harmful chemicals. In organic farming, the focus is on nurturing the soil with green manure and organic matter. Efficient water management like drip irrigation and eco-friendly pest solutions such as neem cake help maintain healthy trees. Organic farming organically not only yields high quality nuts but also ensures long-term sustainability of plantations. Regular applications of organic inputs like rock phosphate or wood ash ensure that trees receive balanced nutrients, promoting healthy growth and high quality arcanite yields. By integrating organic practices for corn and arcanite farmers, not only produce safer chemical free crops but also enhance biodiversity, improve soil structure, and reduce environmental damage. Organic farming is more than a method, it's a step towards sustainable agriculture, ensuring better health for people and planet. Hi everyone. Today let's talk about an amazing and sustainable way to conserve water. Rainwater harvesting using an agricultural pond. It's simple, effective and a game changer for farmers. Let me show how it works. The pond is dug in a low-lying area where water naturally collects. Trenches or channels are made to direct rainwater into the pond. The sides are often lined with a clear plastic sheets to reduce water seepage. As you can see, whenever it rains, it basically comes through these directions. Whenever the small thing is filled, it comes to the second one. Here, this thing what you are seeing, it's of around 4 feet deep. Whenever it's completely filled, it travels to the pipe and fills this pond. The rainwater basically fills in here. This pond collects rainwater during the monsoon season. The water is then used for irrigation, livestock, and even recharging groundwater. It's a practical solution, especially in areas with water scarcity. Thus, rainwater harvesting is all about collecting and storing rain to use later. Instead of letting rainwater run off and to go waste, farmers can capture it in agricultural pond like this one. These ponds act as natural reservoirs. Rainwater harvesting ponds don't just help farmers, they also benefit the environment by collecting rain. They reduce soil erosion, prevent flooding, and recharge the groundwater table. The stored water is pumped out and used to irrigate crops during dry months. This ensures a steady water supply even when the rains are unpredictable. The results, the healthy crops and a higher yields, farmers no longer have to depend entirely on bowels or expensive water tankers. It's cost effective and environmental friendly. So if you're looking for a smart, sustainable solution to water problems, an agricultural pond for rainwater harvesting is the way to go. Let's work together to conserve water and protect our future. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos and solutions. See you in the next video. Thank you. Welcome to Food Walk. We are at Raj Dum Biryani Hoskote. The crowd here speaks for itself. People from all over Karnataka come here for their famous Sunday morning feast. We are here for the same. Here we are ordering their famous chicken biryani and chicken kebab. Here are my friends who are waiting for their order. The one in the front is Karthik, and beside him is Suman, and now comes Lohit. And you people can see how they're serving in a queue format and the quantity they're providing. And now it's me, Deepu. Let's try them. Here it is, the legendary Rajdam biryani. Just look at it. The rice is perfectly cooked and the mutton is so tender it falls off the bone. Now let's take a look at how this magic happens. They are using chopped onions and all the masalas into it. Now they are adding their secret ingredients. And now it's time for the curd and the water. And here comes the meat for the biryani. Each and every plate is made fresh and they don't hold back on portions. The biryani here is all about quality, flavor, and tradition. If you are a biryani lover, you have to visit Rajdam Biryani in Hoskote. It's more than just food, it's an experience. Come early, enjoy the taste, and thank me later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more adventures, see you next time.